Hello and welcome to this video tutorial brought to you by DevTut. This is the first tutorial in the Dreamweaver series. I'm going to be covering a series of different bits and pieces like pure HTML websites, like introduction, how to use CSS, CSS external documents, CSS internal documents, and this is pure HTML and CSS with no images except from the ones you obviously see, like here, and this animation here. So this is all pure HTML and CSS with working links, etc. All the rest of it. And then I'll show you how to make a similar website to this using Fireworks, Photoshop, and Dreamweaver and Flash. This is obviously looks a bit better than that. This is all CSS, these backgrounds and that, and these are JPEG images optimized for web design. And yeah, so I'll show you the first. We're not going to be in this little design view much. I'm not too keen on this design view. I'm more of a coder myself, and you don't need Dreamweaver to be able to make web pages. You can do it in any other kind of program, your favourite text editor, for example. If you're liking Notepad, you can make HTML in Notepad. Just do whatever you've got to do and go File, Save As, and change the file extensions to .html and save it. But we're going to be working in Dreamweaver. So yeah, let's get on with it. So first of all, I'm going to show you. I'll just close all these different windows now. I'm going to be showing you sort of basic HTML. If you click on Right, let's start over, right? If we go and open up Dreamweaver, I can't even spell dream. Right, you get this nice little sort of splash screen to start off with. We're going to create a new HTML document, and it comes up with this sort of default template sort of thing. It's blank in the design view, but it's got some sort of boring stuff. But we're going to get rid of that because some of you might be working in Notepad and don't know what to write. So to start off with, we're going to want our header tags. So if we use tags with the sort of diagonal, they're sort of like arrows, aren't they? Yeah, arrows. And first of all, you've got your head. That's your opening header tag, and close tag is the open arrow, backslash, and then if you're in Dreamweaver, it'll automatically fill it in for you. But if you're not, then you need to type in head and a close bracket. And inside of that, we're going to have a title tag, so title, and then put whatever you want to call the title of the web page. So I'm going to call this HTML intro smiley face, and close it. We can now move on to the body tag, where all of our our content is going to go. And I'm going to put content in there like this is a pure HTML website made by DevTut. Smiley with that. And of course, you can't just have that sort of thing, so you're going to need a paragraph tag. That's a P inside the arrows, and then close at the end of your thing. So we hit F12. We can now save changes to that, and we're going to make a new folder. I'm going to call it to websites, go into there, make another one called pure HTML, go in there, create another folder, call it root, and here always want to call your home page index, and then your all documents thing, it will automatically save it as one of those whatever you're working in. At the moment we're working with HTML, so it will save as a h.html file. So you can click save, and then that'll open up our HTML we just did. So as you can see, this file name is obviously the directory of where my thing is on my hard drive, as I don't have a web hosting spot at the moment. All my web address is going to look like that, but I will be getting a web hosting bit too soon, so yep, we'll be looking forward to that, and I'll be showing you how to set them up, I'm sure, and there'll be more tutorials on that sort of thing, and PHP and all that sort of stuff that's web hosting reliant and all that sort of thing. So as you can see here, we've got our title here, HTML intro, with our little smiley face, yeah, and we've got our content, which is just that paragraph tag there, and that's it really. We just close these down just for so yeah, that's it really. That is very basic. That's my little video tutorial on how to make and create your first HTML document. In the next tutorial I will be showing you how to make a sort of like a bit of a more interesting website. Obviously that was extremely boring and had more or less no use at all really, and after that I'll be moving into CSS and how to make your own little CSS styles, how to make them on a style sheet, and explain the uses of style sheets, etc. So that's it for now. I'll end this tutorial here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial hopefully. Goodbye.